What is your name?
Bigat ako.
What is your name?
Bigat.
Bigat sino?
Bigat and the juice.
And the juice. Oh, drink na.
Basag dito.
Oh, basag dito.
Ay!
Ay.
Juice.
Go juice. Hi. My name is... I'm looking for my
My
puppy
dog.
Clifford.
My dog. My dog.
Yes, Laito. I'm looking for my...
Puppy Clifford.
Wow. Can you help me find him? We'll have a big day ahead. Okay, wag na rin Clifford. What is your name? Tell your name. My name is Jose.
Doctor.
Oh, she's not a doctor. She's a nurse. She's like mommy. What is your name? My name is Jose.
Diego and Floriano.
How old are you?
How do is
Where do you live? I live in building 4.
Bagwan Street, Wanawigan.
Wow. What is your father's name? Father's
His name
is...
is Mark and Floriano.
What is your mother's name?
Don't touch.
Don't touch. Your mother's name is? Momo lang. Oh, very good. What's that? Ay! Sige na. Drink ka na.
What's this?
Straw. Hi, Uncle John. Hi, Lola Luz. And hi, Diego.
There's a county bar.
Konti pa what?
Wait.
Oh, sige, papakita ko sa'yo ah. Papakita ko sa'yo ah. Papakita ko sa'yo. Stop.